I don't know. Like, Evelyn wakuza bulungi omwana. Evelyn yakuza bulungi omwana we in that he reached a point nayagala okuwaayo kidney ye. And this woman fought. Omukazi yarwana. I don't know. All our incidences in Gaza, they break us as mothers. You feel you're breaking down. Not because of the pain. Then what happens when we die? What happens to our children? Your question, just even neighbors. Then what happens to the children? This is not nice. So you just wake up in the morning, then mukama nakutonda nakuwa abaana abalungi, then all of a sudden you die. Like, what next, man? Man, this is not us. What I know, Evelyn yakuza bulungi omwana. Evelyn yakuza bulungi nnyo mutabani we. He raised this boy with so much love. I don't know why I'm breaking down so much. I don't know. Because for her, she fought. She had her beautiful smile all the time. Even first year, but she would wake up and wear her makeup and smile. Even Gatulabanga went there, right? So when we die, like, what happens to our children, Kati? So mkamakera kumachana kutonda. And he gives you these beautiful children, you make a beautiful family. Then all of a sudden you just wake up. Gabana wasola no kuita otadamu, man. This is sad. I don't know why. She fought, man. She fought. As a parent, also you're drowning, man. Just exactly how my mother lied to me. She kept telling me she will be okay. Man, this is not nice. So we just wake up in the morning and everything is gone. Just like that. Kachoto, what happens to our children? Then what happens to our children? Your question, Jenny. What happens to my son? What happens? And this is not nice.